Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Which parts of a halal animal are haram to eat in Sharia? Even if an animal like cow, goat, sheep, or camel is halal and properly slaughtered, Islam prohibits certain parts of the animal due to reasons like impurity, najasa, haram, or disrespect. These rulings are based on Quran, Hadith, and Islamic scholar. Number one is following blood of Dame Masfoh, status haram, forbidden. Quranic dalil forbidden to you for food are dead animals' blood, the flesh of swine. Surah Al Ma'idah. Say, I do not find in that which has been revealed to me anything forbidden, except it be dead meat or blood or pot. Surah Al An'am. Only following pot out blood is haram. Liver and spleen, which contains congealed clotted blood, are allowed according to authentic hadith. Number two, urinary bladder and urine. Status haram. Quranic principle. Indeed, Allah loves those who are repentant and loves those who purify themselves. Surah Al Baqarah. Urine is najis, impure in Islam. The bladder contains urine, so it is considered impure and not fit for consumption. Number three, gallbladder, bile sac, status haram or makruh, disliked. Quranic principle, and do not throw yourself into destructions with your own hands. Surah Al Baqarah. The bite is stored, the gallbladder is extremely bitter and harmful. Eating harmful thing is not allowed in Islam. Number four, reproductive organs. Status haram, Quranic principle. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam makes lawful for them what is good, pure, and forbid them what is evil, impure. Surah Al-A'raf. Genital parts are considered impure and offensive to eat. They are not consumed in any Islamic tradition. Number fifth, testicles. Status disputed, makruh or haram. Some scholars consider them makruh, disliked, due to their association with reproduction. Others consider them haram as they fall under the category of private parts. Number six, glands. Status makruh or haram if harmful. Quranic principle, and do not kill yourself. Verily, Allah is merciful to you. Surah An-Nisa. Some glands can store toxin or diseases. Scholars advise avoiding such parts unless clearly proven safe. Number seven, spinal cord, marrow. Status disputed. If blood was not fully drained at the time of slaughter, spinal marrow may remain impure. Many scholars recommended avoiding it as precaution. Number eight, waste in intestine. Status haram if not cleaned properly. Quranic principle, he forbid them what is impure. Surah Al-A'raf. The intestine themselves are allowed if thoroughly cleaned. If waste or excrement remains, it is haram due to impurity. And the last one, general Quranic rule on what is halal to eat. They ask you what is lawful for them. Say lawful. Unto you are all things good and pure. Surah Al Ma'idah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam makes lawful for them the pure thing and prohibit for them the impure. Surah Al Araf.